Before we start, I will want you to hit that red subscribe button to help our channel grow. Thanks. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Berkshire Hathaway is a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate whose chief executive officer is Warren Buffett. This group owns a lot more than you think they do. Yes, in total, they are holding stocks worth $200 billion. The fact that behind all this smart decision-making and investing in stocks, it is Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the reasons why many investors keep track of the stock holdings of Berkshire Hathaway. In their portfolio, there are more than 40 companies. Interestingly, there are significant size differences among the positions of those companies. Let's take a look at 10 best stocks in Warren Buffett's portfolio. But before that, how about you smash the like button because it really motivates us to make these videos for you. Thanks. Apple. Apple's success is for sure known to every being on the planet. And not just that, but Apple has also made it to Berkshire's top stock holdings. It all started back in 2016 when they decided to invest $1 billion in Apple following the suggestion of Warren Buffett's investment manager. And so far, Buffett has managed to gain a lot from holding Apple stocks. The most loved thing applied for Buffett is reported as their ecosystem stickiness, and also the fact that Apple products prove to be a huge value to their customers. Bank of America. It was a really bold move of Berkshire to go for the Bank of America when there was a financial crisis ongoing. Some of you will refuse to believe, but it is true that Buffett invested a total of $5 billion in the Bank of America preferred stock. And things did not stop for him right here, as he also availed warrants to purchase 700 million shares for just $7.14 each. After the bank's dividend increased in 2017, those warrants allowed to Buffett were put into action. Given the fact that the Bank of America floats its shares at a minimum of $30 per share, it can be said that this was one of the best investments of Warren Buffett. Coca-Cola. It has now been 3 decades since Buffett acquired the shares of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has proved to be a very healthy investment for them so far. In total, a sum of $1.3 billion have been invested in exchange for 400 million shares. The gain as per today's market has touched 1,350%. Not only this, but the dividend pays a return of $640 million to Berkshire per year. Coca-Cola has a track record of increase in dividend value every year, and that's what makes it a safe investment as well. American Express. American Express is a very valuable and a key investment made by Warren Buffett. Over the course of time, American Express have managed to empower their prices and strengthen their customer base more than their competitors. Also, they have invested in new products that enable them to recover from lost revenue from the former Costco partnership. Wells Fargo. Warren Buffett has maintained his side by Wells Fargo regardless of their controversial past. Buffett has publicly supported their managers and has also sold their shares in order to maintain his 10% ownership stake. This bank's recent results show positive indications about their healthy future. Kraft Heinz. Kraft Heinz, though, were Berkshire's #1 investment 2 years ago that valued a $28.3 billion, and their performance has been an immense disappointment for Buffett. Now, with them down to 6th spot with a decline of more than 60%, the company is also SEC investigation for its accounting practices. US Bancorp. US Bancorp is one of Warren Buffett's favorite. Its track record and asset quality has made it one of the most efficient banks in the US. Over the years, Buffett has kept on investing in them, and it is no surprise. Berkshire, in my opinion, would not go over 10% of the ownership stake. However, from the point they are currently standing at, there is a lot more room for Buffett to pursue. JPMorgan Chase. Well, it still is a mystery why Buffett went on to pursue JPMorgan Chase in the year 2018, but it makes sense if you relate it to Buffett's love for bank stocks. Also, Buffett is a big fan of Jamie Dimon, and that he already has nearly 10% of ownership stake in Bank of America and Fargo. All this makes it his another investment in banks sound pretty much logical given that JPMorgan Chase is one of the best banks. Moodys Corporation. Among bond rating agencies, Moodys secures a high rank. For Berkshire, they have been the highest profitable investment. Berkshire made an investment of just $248 billion, which is about 6% of the current value of the stake. Bank of New York, Mellon. In 2018, Buffett made significant contributions to this bank as investments as he was generally in pursuit of banks. It is the oldest operating bank of the United States of America. Also, their revenue stream is very diverse that includes massive asset management and institutional banking business. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. And like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.